The likely resistant forces that are against leading from the heart within my organization would be the senior administration and some staff members. I feel that this is because there are people who work in the organization that may not be happy in the workplace and think it's a sign of weakness to them if the company was to lead from the heart, and not only by traditional leadership methods. According to Crowley, the way people feel at work, and if they feel their needs are being met, will drive them to either be disengaged or engaged at work. People who are disengaged at work do not feel they are important, and many people do not think that the heart has a place within a business. According to Crowley, many beliefs are that the heart in business undermines a manager's effectiveness and lowers profits and productivity. When we lead from the heart, it makes us vulnerable, and when we display emotions in the workplace, it is a sign of weakness. This is the reason that many companies will not lead from the heart. Through my transformational change leadership project in this organization, I will lead from the heart and show workers that they are cared for. Crowley states when people feel that they are cared for, they will invest more of themselves into their workplace. As a transformational change leader, I will need to change myself and adopt practices which will support and honor the needs of each person whom I am in contact with. By treating people with respect and telling them how important they are to the success of the company is one way to lead from the heart. Making sure that workers are satisfied and celebrated, people and the successes that occur on a regular basis will show that they are important and valued. According to Crowley, what people feel in their hearts has immense influence over their performance and motivation within the workplace. When we treat people with respect and communicate and collaborate with them, they feel that they are important to the company. And I feel that by doing this, it will help my transformational change project, and it will help me lead from the heart. Leading from the heart just shows people how important they are. And so many companies are so successful because managers lead from the heart and do not lead in the traditional ways as before. By leading from the heart, you show people how important they are.